Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Tonight on the menu, we are having some ribs. They're frozen. They're the Stampede brand, the Texas barbecue flavor. I have my spicy fries here. I have some broccoli and I also have some asparagus. I just steamed those and put some butter on them. And everything, I'm gonna eat everything with my hands, just so you guys are aware of that. I put a little bit of extra like little barbecue sauce back here so I could dip my fries. Thanks to everybody who voted and helped me out to pick my side. Honestly, I've been really craving the jalapeno mac and cheese, so I'm probably gonna have that at some point this week. But you guys know I love my spicy fries, so also a good option. I did not cut, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna be eating with my hands, but I just don't wanna like have to rip. There we go. Like fully rip it apart. That's good. I have had this brand before, I think, with you guys. I was out for a walk this morning and I stopped at Giant Tiger and these were on sale, so that's why I grabbed a couple boxes. I think that one has 2. That's okay. Just make them a little bit smaller, you know? All right. Asparagus. This was on sale too. I ordered my produce the other day. And I grabbed some of that, which is nice. Nice change. It's gonna be messy. Have you guys seen my new glasses? These are my new glasses. The prescription is a little bit different because she put like, it's like a bifocal, but it's like not a bifocal. So it's a little weird, like looking around, I'm like, I just have to get used to them. So good. These are like, they're pretty small, but I mean, that's okay. I think the last time I had ribs with you guys, they were the Swiss Chalet ones. Maybe? I don't know. Those ones were not that good. Like Swiss Chalet, the ribs, like if you go to like the actual restaurant, they are good. But like the frozen ones that they sell like at the store, not my favorite. And excuse any food that just stays on my face. Move this way. It's a scam phone number calling me right now. God. probably telling me that they're coming to arrest me. Do you guys get those? Mm. So hungry. I picked up a new air fryer on the weekend. I know I was talking about that a little while ago. There was one finally on sale. And I was like, okay, I'll get this one. I haven't really made anything in it. Like, I made like a little bruschetta loaf thing yesterday for lunch. And it was frozen. Like, that turned out okay. What else have I done? I think that was it. And the fries. The fries turned out okay. I just had to remember to like open it and shake it. Because like the air fryer that we've been using like spins, right? So we don't have to like shake them. But that was like half the problem, was that it was a spinning one and I like couldn't cook anything in it. So we really only ever used it for fries. So I would like to, you know, like try different recipes. I see tons of stuff on TikTok all the time. And there's like tons of YouTube videos about people using air fryers for stuff. So I just gotta like look into it a little bit. This is really fatty, excuse me. I cannot do it, cannot eat the fat. Yum. What are you guys eating for dinner? You guys like my hair? I was bored earlier. Scott was like calling me Princess Leia. I was like, no, it's more like Minnie Mouse. I went for a little mini walk this morning. I've been posting a few videos on TikTok, so if you guys are not... Oh, I have barbecue sauce like all over me. Okay. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, you can go over there. I mean, I'm not like posting anything like super amazing. I just posted a funny one of my dog. I have my little walk this morning. I went and grabbed a coffee. And went to the bulk barn to grab some chocolate because I'm gonna make some chocolate bars tomorrow. I'm also gonna tie-dye some stuff tomorrow. Because it's supposed to rain. I was like, oh, I'll do it this afternoon. And they're like, no. Because it's supposed to rain for like the next 2 days, so like that stuff will keep me like busy. I feel like I haven't had spicy fries in a really long time. Yum, yum. I'm content. A friend that I was talking to earlier, he mentioned Rib Fest. Have you guys ever gone to like a Rib Fest before? I've never gone, but I definitely would love to go. Do you guys have like that kind of stuff? Like what kind of like really cool festivals, food festivals do you guys have near you? I saw there was like, I don't know what I was looking at. Anyways, I saw something about a pickle festival. I want to go to that. I want a pickle, you know what I mean? Ew, excuse me. There's so much sauce. I mean, it's good, but like, there's a lot. Slippery, that's what I'm saying. So good. You know, like when you want something to taste a certain way. Yep. I left out. It's like a big chunk. Sorry, messy eating. Jacob went to his friend's house as I was cooking dinner. I was like, oh, so you don't want anything? He was like, no, I do. You better save me some asparagus. I was like, okay, I can do that. He just wanted ribs and asparagus. I was like, all right. You weirdo. Just kidding. It sounds like a delightful meal. And I'm gonna bake some cookies after dinner because Big Brother's on tonight. And I have a tea. I try to have a tea like every night. And lately I've just been having a cookie with my tea. I was making banana bread for like, well, anytime I'm like, oh, my bananas are rotten, I make banana bread. So whether that's like once a week or like, you know, twice a month. I sit down with my tea, just like my mom. My mom always eats, well, she used to have like one of those like mini bags of popcorn. Because you know, you can buy like the regular microwave size and then you can get like the small ones that you can microwave. She always had one of those with her tea at night while she played solitaire on the computer. Me, I just watch like YouTube or TikTok or TV. Delightful. I'll stop licking my fingers. Sorry, I know some of you guys hate that. So yeah, I'm gonna bake some cookies, watch Big Brother. At some point I have to take my hair down so I can sleep. I used to when I was like, oh my gosh, when I was like preteen, teenager, like I used to sleep with my hair like up. Like, and if I did minimal movement while I was sleeping, I was like, nice, it's good enough. I can wear it to school again. Because my hair was so much different then, and it was so thick and so curly. And like, I didn't know how to manage it. I still don't even really know how to manage it. Excuse me. Anyways, I wear my hair down now while I sleep. For the most part. My glasses just like trip me out. It like magnifies stuff weird. Ugh. I'm still getting used to it. I'm giving it a couple days. I'm trying not to complain. Excuse me. Okay, friends, that was absolutely delightful. And I thoroughly enjoyed that. And I hope you did too. If you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Check out some of my other content. I have been, weirdly, my Munchie Momma Instagram just keeps growing. I think somehow it's like a lot of spam accounts have just started following me on there. I can't see that far, so yeah, excuse me. Anyways, follow me on TikTok, follow my other channel, or if you just want to watch me here, that's cool too. Most of you didn't even make it this far. If you did, leave a pig in the comments because of the ribs. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready for Big Brother. I hope you had a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!